everybody, got my latest PinchMe box. I'm getting ready to open it and see what we got this month. So, first item, looks like a lot of snacks in this one. So first we have some Lay's barbecue potato chips. Another pack, we got this in the last box too. Ultima, the refreshers. These flavors, cranberry Cosmo and strawberry margarita. And let's see. Oh, we have some Donnie Unstoppables, a sample. And this is the, let's see, long lasting freshness. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna try that with my laundry this week. We have a Sedor exfoliating foot mask. We have Natura Echoes lotion. Swiss Miss milk chocolate. I love me some hot chocolate. We have True Labs Hydrate Organic Green Electrolyte Drink Mix. Mentos strawberry flavor. We have Sedor hand cream. This is blueberry and plants. We also have Werther's original caramel hard candies. I love these. We have, what is this? Oh, strawberry starfruit Skittles artificial drinks mix sweetener. So that to try. Oh, it looks like we actually got 2 of the Unstoppables. So we got another pack. And then here we have a heart bath bomb to try. I think that is all we have in this box. It also comes with a coupons when I go shopping to get some money off. We have a HelloFresh 17 meals discount code. And this is just another message from me from PinchMe. So that's what we got in our PinchMe box, guys. I'll let you know how I feel about these products once I try them. Bye. Hi, everybody. I got another PinchMe box. So we're going to open it and see what we got. It's a little smaller because I think it's just one product in here. But yeah, I'm just going to open it and see what's inside. Open the box. Ooh. And we have Pond's Fresh Hydration Aloe Extract plus Vitamin B3 Hydrating Gel Moisturizer. So that is the product in here. And then just letting you know my PinchMe. And then there is a coupon for $4 off if I buy this hydration gel moisturizer in the store. So that is my small little PinchMe haul. I can't wait to try this moisturizing gel. And I hope you all have a great day. Bye.